Here's how to remove the background of a video in Canva with just 3 clicks. First of all, left click on your image. Then click on Edit Video in the top toolbar and choose Background Remover. And just like that, the background of our video has been removed. Please keep in mind that the background remover for videos is in beta version, so while this works great with simple backgrounds, more complex backgrounds might not be deleted perfectly. Also, removing the background of videos is a Canva Pro feature. If you would like to get a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, make sure to click on the link in the description of this video. Also, if you would like to know about more awesome Canva hacks, make sure to watch the next video on my channel where I will go in depth about the 30 greatest Canva hacks ever.